Got a special for you today. One of my favorite jerseys, the Domantas Sacramento Kings Statement Edition Jordan jersey. Full name Domantas Sabonis, son of Arvydas Sabonis, the best center in the league, aside from Jokic right now. This is a beautiful jersey. As you can see, it has a gradient, purple to black, left to right. As you can see, the jersey material, I'll zoom in on that. You see that how it goes to black. And let's check out the tag to let you know it's real. I bought it from the Sacramento shop online. So get them while they still have them. Revivier Patch, heat sealed on. Neckline, all purple. Jordan symbol embroidered. Sorry about that. I'm having troubles. I've tried to do this video twice and it keeps flipping back to me. King's logo is single stitched. Same material as the Revivier Patch. Sacramento is heat sealed, rubberized. Comes together quite nicely. Number is perforated, kiss cut, white, purple. Also perforated. You can see that gradient again. Jock Tag. Sacramento proud. Same thing, heat press, rubberized. Side panels are checkerboard. I really like them. As you can see, it's got the purple and black checkerboard throughout the entire way, both sides. Slit down the side. It does give it a uniqueness with the purple on one side and the black on the other with the checkerboard. Now for the rear of the jersey. We got dry fit, advanced, same gradient. Bigger number in the back, same thing. This is double kiss cut. Sabonis single stitched. A thicker material. NBA logo rubberized. Heat sealed. Kings had one championship. Could have had two. We're not going to talk about that. Kobe Bryant. Beautiful, beautiful jersey. On the reversal, inside out. This is where things get funny. Even though it's stitched, the color of the stitching is the exact same as the jersey. So it it almost appears as if it's heat sealed, but it's not. It's really stitched, as you can see the lines from the stitching. The reason I say that is because the nameplate, you can see white stitching on it. So definitely caught my attention, but it's real. And as I flip it over, one more thing that you don't see is that gradient on the inside. It's purple fully through. You see the gradient on the outside, but the interior is purple. Same thing with the stitching on the other side. And of course, Jordan is embroidered. And as you can see, the Reviver is heat sealed. And that is the Sacramento Kings Domantas Sabonis jersey, triple double machine. Really nice jersey. Pick it up. It's worth it. Definitely worth it. I love the colors, the gradient, checkerboard. I'm a Kings fan in general. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Give me comments. I do these videos not for clout, but just for enthusiasts like myself who want to know what they're getting when they purchase a jersey. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Thank you for tuning in. Have a good night.